Hello, this is Ranjan Goenka. In this video, I'll be talking to you about rebate in the income tax under section 87A. This rebate is applicable to individuals having a taxable income of 5 lakhs. This 5 lakhs is actually for financial year 2021. Till the previous year, it was 3 lakhs. Just to give you the overall idea as to what this rebate is all about. The tax actually starts once the taxable income goes beyond 2.5 lakhs. It implies that if someone is having an income up to 2.5 lakhs, there is no tax. Once it exceeds 2.5 lakhs, then the first slab of taxation comes in force. Currently, the first slab is 5% up to an income of 5 lakhs. And once you move to the next slab, from 5 to 10 lakhs, it becomes 20%. In fact, whatever rates that I'm providing to you is basically in the new regime, the rates are different. Applicability remains the same, but I will give the example with the earlier regime only. So once it crosses 5 lakhs, it is 20%. Now, when it comes to 87A, say a person has an income of say 5 lakh rupees. So his total tax actually computes to 5% of the income over and above 2.5 lakhs, which is 12,500. So up to 5 lakhs, if he's making an income, this entire amount goes off in rebate. And this rebate is being given under section 87A. Now suppose his income is 4 lakhs. So 1.5 lakh rupees, he has to pay 5%, which is 7,500. This entire 7,500 rupees is waived. So this implies that till the time the income is 5 lakhs, whatever tax is being computed based on the first slab, the entire thing goes as a rebate under section 87A. Now in case the income exceeds 5 lakhs, let us say it is 6 lakhs. So up to 5 lakhs, it is 12,500. For the next 1 lakh, now he gets into the 20% slab. So the total tax on 1 lakh rupee extra is 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 plus 12,500 rupees from the first slab, his total tax is 22,500. Since his income is beyond 5 lakhs, so his total tax is 22,500 and there is no rebate on this. He has to pay 22,500. So up to 5 lakhs, whatever his tax is getting computed, the entire thing, there is a rebate under section 87A. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for your time.